kids, and welcome back. Today I want to paint something spooky because it's October.
If you're watching this in October, then it is October.
And we're going to paint something spooky because October means it's Halloween. So come with me and let's paint a pumpkin. Hi kids, and welcome back. Are you ready to create a spooky painting? We're going to create a pumpkin using our primary colours and a white and a black. So let's get going. Okay, I'm going to take a big paintbrush. I'm going to dip it in my water and I'm going to dab it on the kitchen roll, and then I'm going to mix an orange. To mix orange, we're going to need a red and we're going to need yellow. But let's make sure we mix a lot of orange because this pumpkin is going to be very big. So let's mix lots and lots of orange. Okay, lots of yellow. That's lovely. Bit more red. I'm gonna mix so much orange. They're gonna just be a palette of orange. So let's mix that orange and lots of paint. Yes, red and yellow. Mix them together and we get orange. Perfect. Okay, we have a lot of orange. Now it's time to paint the pumpkin. So for the pumpkin painting, we're going to paint an oval shape. Oh no, look, it's blobbing off my brush with a curve at the top. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to paint a big sort of like oval shape. And then we're going to curve it in and back out, turn in again. And then let's paint it all in. Now you can have any shaped pumpkin you like. This is your pumpkin. So you could get really creative. You could make a long pumpkin, a square pumpkin, a triangle pumpkin. It's entirely up to you. Okay, let's get all that painting. So I'm going to use my brush and I'm going to paint the strokes of paint down. And you see it's leaving lines for our pumpkin. So get some paint on your brush and curve it to the bottom. Some paint on your brush and curve it to the bottom. And look at these beautiful lines that it's leaving for us. How spooky is that? Let's create some more over here, some bigger ones. Lovely. Okay, I think I'm happy with my pumpkin. Let's make sure all them lines go to the bottom. Cool, this is looking amazing. Okay, I'm going to get another line there. Remember, lots of paint on our paintbrush. And we're just going to paint it on all the way to the bottom to create the lines. Like that. Okay, now let's give the pumpkin a stalk. I'm going to wash my mucky brush. Look at the water, it's going to turn orange. Only a little bit orange. And now let's dry the brush. And now I'm going to mix a green for the stalk of the pumpkin. So let's take some blue and let's take a big scoop of yellow and give that a mix. Look at that green colour. It's like gruel. Okay, now with the green, we're going to paint a rectangle from this point of our pumpkin. So let's paint it up. A little bit of a square. And all the way back down again. And a little curve at the bottom. Okay, are you doing a rectangle too? Brilliant, well done. Okay, let's paint that in. Let's put lots of paint on it so it looks very green. That's it, perfect. Now let's wash our mucky brush. So now we have a pumpkin. It's time to give our pumpkin a face. Now it's up to you what face you want to give it. Is your pumpkin angry? Is it happy? Is it confused? What pumpkin should we do today? Maybe a... Okay, so I'm going to take some black paint and I'm going to paint triangles for my eyes. So I'm going to paint a little line at the bottom and I'm going to do a big triangle here. And I'm going to fill that in with black paint.
Now you can give your pumpkin any face shape you like. Maybe yours has circle eyes, or maybe it has swirly whirly eyes. So many choices. Okay, triangle, and then paint that in. Lovely, this is looking great. Okay, now, have we decided, is it happy or sad or in the middle? I'm gonna go with, I think a happy pumpkin. First, I'm gonna do a nose. So I'm gonna do a little triangle here for his nose, and I'm gonna paint that in. Now it's time to do the happy mouth. So, I'm going to draw a semicircle from this dot to this dot, all the way under and all the way up. And then I'm going to fill in his mouth and make it really big. I'm going to draw, and then I'm going to do pointy teeth. Why not? 2 triangles here and draw back up, and then I'm going to fill that in. Because I want my pumpkin to have teeth. Does your pumpkin have teeth? My pumpkin has triangle teeth. What shape are your teeth? Maybe they're square. Maybe they're rectangle. Mine are triangle. Okay, we have painted a very scary pumpkin. But not that scary because he's quite happy. We can make that mouth a little bit bigger. It looks fantastic! You can paint as many pumpkins as you like. I'm going to now add some white onto my pumpkin to make him look very, very shiny. So with a clean paintbrush, I'm going to take my white paint and I'm just going to draw a little curved white line there. A little curved white line there. Maybe a curved line. Oh no! I got black on my pumpkin. That's okay. Let's turn that into an opportunity. So what can we do with this black curve? We could paint over it in orange. Or we could add that to the pumpkin. I quite like it. Maybe it's a laughter line. So let's do one on the other side. See? Now it looks even better. And I didn't even mean to do that. So now let's take some more white paint. Let's draw a curve around. A curve around here, and here, and here. And maybe a little curve there. We could even add some white to his eyes if you like. We could add a little shiny light bit there, and there. You see how much that comes to life with the white added? Lovely. Okay. I am happy with my pumpkin. I'm going to stop before I paint more black on my pumpkin. Now, you could get extra creative. You could do a background. You could do a baby pumpkin or maybe some spiders. I hope you enjoyed painting a pumpkin with me today. Do give this video a like if you loved it, and I'm going to be back with more Halloween paintings. I also have a free colouring book in the description box if you want to tell an adult to click the link and they can print it off for you. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, kids. Bye! Have a spooky one!